Hey there, welcome back. Today, we're talking about everyone's favorite digital currency, Bitcoin. The big question on our minds, where will Bitcoin be in 5 years? But before we gaze into the future, let's quickly recap Bitcoin's journey so far. Created in 2009, Bitcoin has gone from being a niche concept to a global sensation. People love its decentralized nature and limited supply, making it a sought-after investment. Bitcoin's price has had its ups and downs, but it's always bounced back. Despite the roller coaster ride, Bitcoin has gained more and more followers. So, what's in store for Bitcoin in the next 5 years? Let's break it down. Point 1. Institutions adopting Bitcoin. First up, institutional adoption. Big players like Tesla and Square have already invested in Bitcoin. More companies are likely to follow suit, which means Bitcoin's market will become more stable and easier to buy and sell. Point 2. Regulations. Second, regulations. Governments are still figuring out how to handle cryptocurrencies. As they establish clearer rules, it'll provide a safer environment for Bitcoin. We might see more countries embracing Bitcoin, which would bring it into the mainstream. Point 3. Technological advancements. Lastly, technological advancements. Bitcoin's technology, called blockchain, has tons of potential. As it evolves, Bitcoin will become faster, more scalable, and more private. That means using Bitcoin for everyday transactions will become easier. Now, remember, predicting the future isn't easy. But considering these factors, it's safe to say Bitcoin has a bright future ahead. Oh, and before we go, here's a little bonus thought. Some experts believe that in 5 years, Bitcoin might become a global reserve currency. Imagine using Bitcoin for international trade, no borders, no fuss. So, to sum it up, Bitcoin is on a roll, and it's likely to keep growing. Whether it becomes a global reserve currency or not, Bitcoin is here to stay. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any thoughts, drop them in the comments below. See you next time.